Have you ever thought about turning your roof into a mini power station? That's what microgeneration is all about. With solar panels, you can harness the sun's energy to generate electricity right at home. But here's the thing. Solar panels produce direct current or DC electricity, which isn't what your home appliances use. That's where an inverter comes in. An inverter is the key piece of equipment that converts the DC electricity from your solar panels into alternating current or AC electricity, the type your home runs on. And it doesn't stop there. On sunny days, when your solar panels produce more electricity than you use, the inverter helps send that surplus energy back to the grid. Your utility company can buy that extra energy from you, giving you credits or payments. So not only do you save on your energy bills, but you can also earn money while contributing to a greener, more sustainable energy system. Microgeneration and selling back to the grid, powering your home and your future with the sun.